Hello people, the new battery electric sports car from Lotus could cost around $95,000 when it hits the market, meaning it would be slightly cheaper than the current Emira V6, the brand's last combustion-powered sports car. Lotus is expected to launch its new battery electric sports car in 2025. The new model, currently known as the Type 135, will serve as a rival to the electric Porsche Cayman and Boxster twins. So what will shoppers get for their money? The Type 135 was initially going to be co-developed alongside Alpine, but the companies have parted ways on the project. Underpinning the sports car will be the brand's new lightweight electric vehicle architecture, Lever, that's highly configurable and will be used for multiple cars. In the case of the Type 135, Lotus will mount the battery pack directly behind the cabin in the same area where an engine is mounted in a mid-engined car. While most EVs have batteries in their floors, putting them behind the cabin will enable Lotus to optimize the driving position, allowing occupants to sit as low in the cockpit as possible. Car Magazine claims entry-level models will have a 66 kWh pack, while other versions will have a 99 kWh pack. At least two different power configurations are also expected. Sitting at the base of the range should be a single-motor version with rear-wheel drive and 462 GP. Those seeking more power should be able to opt for a pair of motors with 872 GP and all-wheel drive. It's our bullseye, a pure two-seater that must live and breathe the brand, Lotus Chief Commercial Officer Mike Johnston recently said. Someone who's owned an Elise or Esprit should be able to get into the Lotus Type 135 and feel instantly at home.